Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your harvest time tracker, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a customer estimate in your harvest time tracker? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put together a job estimate or a customer estimate anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online, maybe you're running a service or you're a freelancer, you know that sometimes your customers require a job estimate to compare with other options. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to put one together. It's handled here in your Harvest account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Harvest account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a job estimate, what you're going to do is here on this top orange bar, click on estimate. Once you do that, you're going to see all the estimates you already put together. I don't have any because this is a test account, but what you're going to do is click on this green new estimate button. Okay, guys, so here is where you can put together a job estimate for your client. First, what you want to do is go ahead and give it an estimate ID. This is my first one, so we'll just leave it here at 1. However, if you feel like it looks kind of unprofessional, you can go ahead and change this. So let's say 457. Next, you want to go ahead and choose one of your customers that you're sending this to. So just click here and then choose the customer. If the customer has not been added, so maybe it's a new potential customer, you want to click here on new, and then you can go ahead and just type in their name. So Jose Hernandez. Okay, and then just click enter. Okay, next you can give it a PO number if that applies to your type of service. For me, no. Issue date's usually going to be the date that you're putting it together, but if for some reason you have to give it a different date, you can go ahead and adjust the date right here. Discount. This is good if you're going to give a discount. So for example, if your service is going to be $1,000, but you're doing it for, let's say $500 for this particular customer, don't put $500 right here because they're not going to feel like they got the discount. You definitely want to still put your item as 1,000 and then add the discount up here. Here you can go ahead and add a subject. So let's say roofing, residential, service, marketing. Okay. And currency. So I usually work in US dollars. If you work in a different currency, you can go ahead and add that here. And then here we can go ahead and add our estimate. So are you selling a service or a product? For me, I'm going to be doing a service. Here you can add the description. So we're going to do, let's see, YouTube marketing for 1 month. Okay. And then maybe they're going to do a 6-month contract. So we're going to put the quantity 6. We got that 6. And then for each month, let's just do 500. Well, let's do 1,000 like what we talked about earlier. So you can see it automatically calculates to 6,000. And then we'll do Twitter marketing per month. And let's just say in a 6-month contract for this as well, but this one's only $300 per month, but we'll go ahead and add that discount for this customer, 50%. So as you can see right here, what I was talking about, if you just mark 3,900 up here and their total is 3,900, they're not going to feel like they got a discount. When you add in the discount, it's going to make it much more appealing to them. And that way they can see in writing that they normally would have to pay 7,800. Okay. So next you can go ahead and write in some notes. So I usually use this section for the term. So maybe the customer has to give us access within 24 hours. Otherwise the quote changes, or maybe they only get this price if they pay upfront for 6 months. So we would write that in, must pay within 48 hours, or maybe they're going to be able to pay monthly. So we can put in here monthly payment of. So whatever it is that you put in here, you're going to be able to use this later if you have a disagreement with your client, because we all know that sometimes they remember things a little bit differently than we do. Okay, so once you're ready to go ahead and issue this job estimate, click on Save Estimate. Okay, so now you're going to see this green pop-up, estimate created. So now we have this job estimate for our customer. So we can go ahead and text them or email a link by clicking right here. If they happen to be in person, we can go ahead and print off a PDF right here, or we can go ahead and save a PDF and then just send this job estimate via an email. One thing I forgot to mention is you can go ahead and connect an attachment. So maybe you're doing an in-person business. So maybe you're doing roofing or painting or something like that. You can attach pictures or PDFs right here if you wish to do so, if it applies to your business. So once this job estimate has been verbally accepted from your customer, you can come back in here by clicking on estimates here at the top. Okay, so here's our estimate. We'll just click right into it, and then we can go ahead and mark it as accepted. Once it goes in accepted, we're going to easily be able to get that out of invoices. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to put together a customer estimate or a job estimate for one of your customers in your Harvest account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.